Gyokeres, Jesus comes on first. He's put. There's
great goal.
Conversation.
Great goal by Jesus. But I do think again, I think they're very unfair, right? If someone comes on 10 minutes 3-0 up, it's a lot different to playing a game from the.
I don't know about this, bro.
This is my thing. This is my thing. Yeah, this is my thing, right? Because honestly, people got
Be real.
People got to be honest, right?
We
I'm
are.
not saying he had a good game.
Okay.
Right? I'm not saying I don't think he had a bad game, by the way. I don't think he had a bad game, but I didn't think he had a good game, right? But I think it's very difficult if a player comes on, you're 3-0 up. It's a lot different. The circumstances are a lot different to when you're playing a game first half, 0-0, tight. You got to get back, help out, this, that. It's a lot different. So, yeah, you know what I mean? Like the game's opened up. It's a different game. So, but one thing, Jesus took the goal brilliantly. He took the goal well. What are all these fans who used to be saying, let's get rid of Jesus, let's sell him, ain't clinical? Fans who I've heard saying, "Oh, we need to play Havertz." Same fans who were saying to get rid of him. Come on. With Gyokeres, listen, I'm still going to give him. Who
starts against Bournemouth?
Against Bournemouth, I'll probably still start Gyokeres. Someone was saying to me that he should have scored one of them. I think it was Marty was saying to me he should have scored.
Not the first one was tough. The second one,
to me,
hit the target.
The first header, it drops over a man. He can't score that.
This is what I was trying to on the watch when they were saying no.
Even the second header's a half chance. It's not a
clear
full
cut
chance because you've got a player coming across you. Marty, you got to go and look at it again.
Aye.
So to me,
it's not a clear cut.
No. It's not.
The first one definitely not.
None of those are clear cut. He did give the ball away that time when nearly
held it,
goal. That was my main thing on him. He rallied in the second half. It was better. You know, I mean, he was a bit of a nuisance, but we do want to see a bit more output from him. So I'll probably give him a 5.